Hi, I'm Trainum Gary and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're at the grand opening of the Michigan Central Station. Come along as we walk towards the Michigan Central Station. We're at the main entrance to get in, and you have to have a ticket. I do have tickets, but before I go inside, I'm going to take you back to 1988 January and show you what we saw with me and my two small children. All aboard?
There's a stay inside.
Attention, please, now arriving Amtrak train is 353.
This is January 2nd, 1988, 3 days before the Michigan Central Station is going to close in Detroit. This is one of the last trains to leave the Michigan Central Terminal, Detroit, Michigan. This is where the train used to run through here, Tony, and the smoke used to go up these stacks here. These old steam engines. Hey, Sissy, come here. Come here, guys.
There's a mailbox here. There's a mailbox here.
Where?
Back here.
Come on, guys.
Only 5 more? I'll take 5. How many you got here? 2? How many here? 2? How many here?
1.
That's my 5!
All right, lucky number.
Hold on right here.
All right, we're going in the Michigan Central Station on the open house. please smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to get all the notifications from YouTube. And as always, cheers from Detroit and Mackinac Railway.
This is Train Room Pam.
This is Train Room Gary. Thanks for watching. Please check out these fine videos from my YouTube channel.